Is this the dagger?
I don't believe what I just saw!
Touch a ball, Joe. You'll never hit a bigger home run in your life.
Timlin. Nixon bunts. Timlin on it. Throws to first. For the first time in history, the World Championship banner will fly north of the border. The Toronto Blue Jays are baseball's best in 1992.
Canada, the NBA title is yours. The Toronto Raptors are the 2019 NBA champions.
Another kind of important announcement is that I am piloting shipments to Canada. I'm trying that out with one person this month, and if that works smoothly, then we'll be doing that going forward, just to Canada, no other countries aside from Canada and the US at this time.
For the city and for all of Canada.
Hola amigos, we are Plakata Cards, and today we have a very special box opening. It is the Rookie Card Explosion box by Philmington. This is our very first Rookie Card Explosion box that we get to open now that Philmington has expanded to Canada. So thank you, Philmington, for the opportunity to enjoy this amazing and fun product. Let's get into it. So I'll get started with these three packs. First, the 1990 Bowman. This is stuff that I definitely collected when I was a teenager. That's it. These guys have never heard or seen these players. Jeff Ballard, Rick Aguilera, remember? Carlton Fisk, one of the greatest. Joe Skalski, Bill Coyler, Harold Bain, Brian Downing. Who's this? Dave Otto, George Brett, great hitter. Bernie Rouse, Roger McDowell, Moises Alou, who later played for the Montreal Expos. Here being in Canada, I watched a lot of the Jays and Expos naturally. Greg Myers, Greg Worthington. All right, so that's the first one. I just want to take that one away. Leave some room here. So sorry, now we're opening up the 90 Leaf. Also looking in here for Sammy and for Ken Griffey Jr.'s second year. Puzzle card, guys. Want to have some fun? Sean Dunston, Lonnie Smith, Alan Trammell, Tim Raines, Swindle, and Belcher. You guys never heard of these names, eh?
No. They're all new to me. Yeah.
Yeah, this is old school. Oh, look. Did I just get two of the same player in the same pack? Look at that.
Wow. What is those?
That is awesome. Wow. That's a vintage old school packs. Oh, and did I get two Lonnie Smith as well? I think so, no? I guess so. Yeah, two of them. And Jimmy Key. He was fun to watch for the Jays back in the day. I got two of the... Yeah. Alright, so this now is the 97. Looking for Belcher. Oh, from McGriff. Nice. He played for the Blue Jays. He was part of the trade that brought Joe Carter and Alomar to the Jays. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Dan Erstad, Chad Green, and Grant Roberts. Alright, you guys get in.
We're going to get into our first pack, Topps 2013 Update Series. So first, it's a Justin Upton, Trevor Bauer, I see a gold, Tim Collins,
Is it a Yelich gold?
Zach Wheeler, maybe, oh, Carlos Gonzalez, gold, All-Star Game,
So it's nice.
Troy Tulowitzki, All-Star game.
Tulo came to the Jays from the Rockies.
Chris Denfolia, Carlos Beltran, Alberto, and Johnny Howard.
Nice. Alright, let me take those away. Get your next pack already.
So now we have 2016 update series. A lot of these packs that I'll be opening, I haven't opened before. So this is my first time opening this. So Junior Guerra, Giovanni, Chin-Man Choi, Matt Kemp, AJ Ramos, Jose Reyes, Keith Urban, Kenta Maeda, and Machado All-Star Game, and Matt Wieters.
Who I believe is now catching for the Cardinals.
So this is Topps 2017 Series 1. And to pull a Judge out of this would be nice.
So yeah, these are packs we've never opened since we came into the hobby last year. We've only been able to get our hands on mostly 2018, 2019 stuff.
Jacoby, Gabriel, J.A. Happ, League Leaders.
Is that a gold?
No, Joey Votto. I think it's
Mother's
just
Day. It's a Mother's Day card, yeah. That should be numbered up to 15.
Joey Votto.
Oh, is that his?
What? So I think back-to-back Joey Votto. So
That was a foil.
Tucker, Carlos, Mike Zuno, Jurius, and Matt Moore.
Alright.
So for my last pack, 2018 Heritage High Number,
What are we looking for there?
like Acuna, Glaber, some of the big names, Preston Tucker, Dylan Rookie, Steven, Derek, Luis Hoskins Rookie,
Hey!
Soto Rookie,
Juan Soto. That is hit in the air to right and way out of here. Wow!
That's probably the biggest card so far. Nice. Here, let me give you one of these. You can put it there.
if it fits. Just
Why don't you
might.
fix it?
Matt
Alright.
Duffy, Shane Green, and J.D. Davis.
Okay.
So I'll get into my first pack, the 2018 Series 1.
So these packs we've opened before, right, Shreya?
Yeah. Anthony Rizzo, Clayton Kershaw, Jose...
Quintana.
Oh, that's a complicated name.
It's a Spanish last name. Charlie?
Charlie Blackman,
Yeah.
right. Aaron Judge,
Like leaders?
Yohan Moncada,
Nice card.
Tyler Mahal,
Yeah.
Molly,
Marcelo Zuna. Remember with the Cardinals, but not with the Braves?
oh yeah, right. Carlos Correa and Brandon McCarthy.
McCarthy. Alright, I'll take those from you.
So to get into my second pack, the Baseball 2019 Series 2.
What happened in our first video that we posted on our channel?
We
got
no number, we got Tatis, and we got an Eloy. The only card that
All
was
in the same pack.
The only thing that was missing was a Pete Alonso.
And it was a retail pack too. Okay.
Alan Hansen, Rosal
Herrera.
rookie. It's a rookie. Austin Slater,
Slater.
Slater,
Like a lot of Rockies.
Rockies.
That's a nice photo.
Rays, Tampa Bay Rays. Roman Quinn.
You like
This
that
is a
goal?
gold. Will Myers.
Myers.
Jose
Peraza.
Brandon Workman. Dylan Betances.
Betances in Spanish.
Stephen Wright. And Christopher Negron. Tony Kemp. And Manny Machado. Alright, to get into my third pack, yeah.
Yeah, you got a gold card there. Yeah,
2020 baseball. Heritage.
So this one was never opened, so yeah.
Yeah, this one.
This one is the first we've opened of the 2020 Heritage.
We've opened 2019 and 2018, but not 2020.
You've got Mitch Garver. Michael Lorenzen. Kenta Maeda. Lane Slynn. Disney East Coast flagship starts slow. Albert Olozela.
Alsole and
Nico Horner.
alright, a rookie card for Nico.
Mike Fears.
So your A leaders. So there's different pictures there.
Yeah, Jacob DeGrom and Mike Soroka.
Yeah, you're a Canadian boy.
And then the Elmer Sanchez.
There it is.
My last pack,
You guys are doing awesome with your name pronunciations.
the Bowman. Alright. Matt Scherzer. Jose Altuve.
Oh, Luis Robert rookie. Well done.
Albert Olozalo.
Yeah, Alsole, you just got his rookie too.
So Romy Marico.
Mauricio.
Certain.
Yeah, and these are Bowman's first, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna put this one up for you.
Heliot. I wonder.
One of the top prospects in
He's a
baseball.
wonderful
Your brother's
guy.
been wanting this card.
Aaron Ashby. Matt Chapman. Yuzi
Yusei Kikuchi.
and Luis Castillo.
This is our
Awesome,
recap of the
right.
Rookie Explosion box. We got many rookies, but these are the most notable ones. We got a Wander Franco. I really like Wander Franco, and his card in my PC is really nice. We also got a Juan Soto rookie. This is our first Juan Soto rookie. We got our Luis Robert, Zach Wheeler, and a Nico Horner rookie, so that's really nice.
And we also pulled, and you're not seeing doubles, 2 Sean Dunston and 2 Lonnie Smith in our Leaf pack. Unfortunately, we did not get 2 Sammys and 2 Griffeys, but that would have been the most amazing pack if we got that. But nevertheless, we had lots of fun opening up our first Rookie Explosion box. And thanks for watching, and in about a month time, we are looking forward to sharing the second one. Take care, everyone.